Okay friends, let's make some quick bucks with this trading strategy. So we have made a profit here. I'll explain you this strategy. Just let's make few trades. Firstly, our first trade was so sweet and we made a profit already. So let me find out another entry point. Sometimes you may get less signals with this strategy, but the accuracy can be high at certain time. So just don't. Okay, so your one dot has formed, so most probably another dot has formed, so we made a trade and let's see what happens. Yes, we made a profit in these two. So the strategy is actually very simple. You just need to make all of these currency pair your favorite by making this stars yellow. Those currency pair, OTC currency pair which have over 90% payout, just make all of those favorite and select a 5-second time frame, and in indicator just use this parabolic SAR indicator. You just don't need to make any changes to its setting, always remember that. Okay, and then if it is flag at here, just make it clock and select S5 time frame. So your candlestick is also a 5 second and your trading time frame is also going to be a 5 second, and just decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade, and then find out the certain place where you can make trades. So for example, if this second dot is forming, okay, so if the parabolic SAR, this is the parabolic SAR dot, and if the parabolic SAR dot is above the candles, that means that is the downtrend, and whenever this second dot is forming, at that time make trade by clicking on lower, and whenever the parabolic SAR dots are below the candles, that means it is uptrend. So whenever this second dot is formed, you make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this. Now let me show you again more trades. Okay, so here we could have gone right, as you can see here. Let's keep on searching, maybe we can find a good place. Now 100% of your trades are not going to be right, some of your trades can go wrong also. Okay, but overall thing is like, yeah, we made a profit in this trade also, but the overall thing is, so here also we got a signal. Here you can see second dot, so we made a trade. Now let's see what happens. Okay, so this was a draw trade, we didn't make any loss or neither profit. So this can be effective for in certain time. Okay, so you need to firstly test it in your demo account and see if it is working at that time. If it is working when you are making trades on demo account, then switch to your real account and take risk of like $100, $200, $50, and divide that into four part. Okay, and then use it to make trades. So now I have already made 2-3 trades, right? So I have made a little bit profit. Now whenever I make one loss, I will certainly stop to make trades. So here second dot was formed, and that's why I made a trade, and we made a loss at here. So at this point I will stop trading. You can also do this exact thing so that you can make a good amount of profit on a daily basis. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video, and if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using this social trading feature, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video and also in the first comment below. I'll see you inside the free Telegram channel. Bye bye.